Blue Star High Secondary School video classes for 10th standard mathematics. Happy morning students. Today we are going to see unit 5 coordinate geometry exercise 5.1 formula. Already we see some more formulas. This is another one formula, area of a quadrilateral ABCD. So area of a quadrilateral ABCD is equal to 1 by 2 into x1 y2 plus x2 y3 plus x3 y4 plus x4 y1 minus x2 y1 plus x3 y2 plus x4 y3 plus x1 y4, or otherwise you can use this type also. For previous formula itself we can see like this for finding area of a triangle. Similarly we are using the same pictorial method to solve or to find the area of a quadrilateral. So which is equal to 1 by 2. We just write the values of x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x4 y4 and x1 y1. Then as usual you have to multiply x1 y2, x2 y3, x3 y4, x4 y1 minus x2 y1, x3 y2, x4 y3, x1 y4 means you get the same formula. Example 5.5, which is in page number 209. The floor of a hall is covered with identical tiles which are in the shape of triangles. One such triangle has the vertices at minus 3, 2, minus 1, minus 1 and 1, 2. If the floor of the hall is completely covered by 110 tiles, find the area of the floor. So what is given, the question is the floor of a hall is covered with identical tiles. The shape of the tiles is triangle. So one such triangle vertices is given. Then you have to find the floor of the hall is completely covered by 110 tiles, means you have to find the area of the floor. So solution, vertices of one triangular tile are at minus 3, 2, minus 1, minus 1 and 1, 2. So therefore the area of the tiles is equal to 1 by 2 into, I just substitute the value of x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, then again x1 y1 square units. The next step is you have to do a multiplication, which is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3. Then minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. 1 into 2 is 2. Minus 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. So which is equal to minus 2 plus 2 gets cancelled. So minus 2 minus 1 minus 6 is minus 9. Minus into minus plus. So 1 by 2 into 3 plus 9 is equal to 1 by 2 into 12, which is nothing but 6 square units. Since the floor is completely covered by 110 triangular shaped identical tiles, so area of the floor is equal to 110 into area of triangle value, that is 6 square units, which is nothing but 660 square units. Therefore area of the floor is equal to 660 square units. Example 5.6, which is in page number 209, 210. Find the area of a quadrilateral formed by the points 8, 6, 5, 11, minus 5, 12 and minus 4, 3. So solution, let the vertices be A of 8, 6, B of 5, 11, C of minus 5, 12 and D of minus 4, 3. Then you have to find area of a quadrilateral ABCD. So this is a pictorial representation, which is equal to 1 by 2 into x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x4 y4, again x1 y1. So I just substitute the values of x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x4 y4 and again x1 y1 value. Next step is you have to do the multiplication, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 8 into 11, 88 plus 5 into 12 is 60. Then minus 5 into 3 is minus 15. Minus 4 into 6 is minus 24. Minus 6 5s are 30. 11 into minus 5 is minus 55. 12 into minus 4 is minus 48. 3 into 8 is plus 24, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 88 plus 60 is 148. Minus 15 minus 24 is minus 39. Minus 30 plus 24 is 54. Minus 55 minus 48 is minus 103, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 148 minus 39 is 109. Minus 54 minus 103 is minus 49, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 109 minus into minus plus 49, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 109 plus 49 is 158. So 158 divided by 2 is nothing but 79 square units. Therefore, area of a quadrilateral ABCD is equal to 79 square units. Example 5.7. The given diagram shows a plan for constructing a new parking lot at a campus. It is estimated that such construction would cost rupees 1300 per square feet. What will be the total cost for making the parking lot? So this is the figure is given in the question. The diagram shows a plan of constructing a new parking lot of campus. So you have to find the total cost of making the parking lot. It is like a shape of a quadrilateral. So as usual, by using the quadrilateral formula, first you have to find the area of a parking lot. So solution: the parking lot is a quadrilateral whose vertices are at A of 2, 2, B of 5, 5, C of 4, 9 and D of 1, 7. Area of a parking lot is equal to 1 by 2 into, you just write the vertices of x1, y1, 2, 2, 5, 5, 4, 9, 1, 7, again 2, 2. Next you have to do cross multiplication, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 5 2s are 10, 9 5s are 45, 4 7s are 28, 1 2s are 2, minus 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20, 9 into 1 is 9, 7 2s are 14. So which is equal to 1 by 2. If you add all this, 10 plus 45 plus 28 plus 2, it gives 85, minus 10 plus 20 plus 9 plus 14 is 53, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 85 minus 53 is 32, which is equal to 16 square units. Therefore, area of a parking lot is equal to 16 square feet. Construction rate per square feet is 1300 is given in the question. So total cost for constructing the parking lot is equal to 16 into 1300, which is equal to 20,800.